In this video, let's talk about how to use the Tidal student discount. If you are a student and want to have a discount inside of Tidal, let me show you exactly how it is done. Now, there is a separate plan for students inside of Tidal. If you head over to the subscribe section, right here you can see the section or the plan which is separated which is discounted for students. You can make sure to select this option and then click on the continue button. Now, the only extra thing that you need to do inside of the student plan is you need to verify that you are a student through a system called SheerID. You need to provide the required documents in order to prove that you are a student of a school or a high school. Only once your verification is complete and you verified you are a student, you'll be able to purchase the student plan of Tidal. Unless you do and unless you do not have a track record or the verification needed in order to verify, you won't be able to get the student discount or subscribe to the student plan inside of Tidal. So that's how easily you can get a student discount or subscribe to a student plan inside of Tidal. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.